just wanna be. Hi, my name is Jessica Bay, and hope you all had a nice Easter break. And today we're going to be making chicken parmigiana from my mum's baby and family book. It's there. So the first thing you're going to need is cling film on the top and bottom of the chicken breast. So you want to pound the chicken to get it nice and fat. This is fun. So there we go. So what you're going to do is crack one egg into a bowl. And you're going to whisk it. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Okay. Next you're going to be putting the Parmesan cheese into the breadcrumbs. To make the breadcrumbs I used 4 slices of bread and then I blended it. Next you take off the cling film. That just came off smoothly. So it's really important not to touch raw chicken. But if you do, then you have to wash your hands. Next, you take one chicken, dab it into the egg, flip it over on each side. Then you're going to dab it into the breadcrumbs and put it each side. There you go. Put this into. So you're going to put it into an oven-proof dish. I love chicken parmigiana. It's like one of my favourite meals. I asked my mum, like, can we have it out tonight, please? Every night, basically. It might be nice, like, with couscous or pasta. Yeah, there we go. So now that that's done, I'm just going to pop it into the oven for about 10 minutes at 180 degrees. So cook for about 10 minutes. So now that the chicken is in the oven, we're just going to make the tomato sauce. So first you're going to get a little bit of olive oil and sprinkle it all over the pan. So you're going to get 2 pieces of garlic. Press that in. It's kind of hard to press it. And then the second one. That just fell on the ground. Ah, there we go. So now that that's done, you're going to stir it around for 1 minute. I make like tomato sauce like all the time because you can use it for meatballs, pizza, like spaghetti, and also chicken parmigiana that we're making today. So I've just put in half a tin of chopped tomatoes, and now I'm just going to put in half a jar of passata. That came out smoothly. And you're going to put in 1 teaspoon of oregano. Cook on a simmer for about like 5 to 10 minutes. If it's like bubbling and all that, so maybe just turn it down. So now that my chicken and my tomato sauce are ready, I'm just going to put the tomato sauce onto the chicken. So if you want, it's your choice. You can sprinkle some mozzarella cheese onto them. I love the mozzarella cheese because it makes a really nice taste. So you're just gonna sprinkle it on there. So now that that's ready, I'm just gonna put it into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then it's ready to eat. So this recipe and more is on mummycooks.com. And I'm Jessica Berry. I need seconds.
Yeah. Wow.
Have I already said that I love it?
Yeah.